Now we're gonna go to the implementation file, view control implementation file. So we're going to place here and place the code that is on the knowledge-share.co.il. And that's our code. Now let's review it. One more important thing that I forgot to mention about the header file that we made our view controller as a delegate of KS custom button delegate, meaning it needs to implement our the protocol we've written in the KS custom button header file. Okay, so back to the implementation file. The implementation file we sent a synthesize for our 3 buttons, and we initialized them in the view did load. We set the delegate. As you remember, our custom button class has a property delegate, so we set it to self. And it also, our custom button has a property of animation type, so we set the animation type. The alpha button with alpha, the horizontal button with a horizontal animation, and the vertical button with a vertical animation. And we also set the title of the three of our 3 buttons. And that's pretty much it for the initialization. What we added more is a method that will be invoked when the buttons are pressed. So you see I implemented here a button clicked method, and I'll just write something to the NSLog. Button custom button was pressed. So whenever a button clicked, the custom button was pressed, will be written in the log, and that's pretty much it for the implementation file. And I'm gonna move to the last part of this project, the nib file. So we're gonna save everything, and I'm gonna go to our nib file. Okay, finally. Okay, we're gonna place 3 UI views. So go on ahead and search for UIView. And I'm gonna place a UIView here. And we're gonna set the dimensions of that view. Right. Okay, I'm gonna set the width like 50 on 100, and it will start. And sorry, let's set the width is 100 and the height is 50, and I'm gonna start at 10. Let's make it a bit bigger. So I'm gonna drag it here, and okay, and we gonna go to the identity inspector and set our class to be the class we just created, which is KS custom button. And also let's set the color to the background color to clear color. And okay, now let's create 3 copies of this button. So we now have 3 copies of our button, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so and now let's connect it to our file owner. So be the button alpha. will be the button horizontal, and the last one button vertical. And we save, and we're gonna launch it. Let's see what happens. Build succeeded, and okay. And okay, when you look at that, we have our 3 buttons. And notice that whenever we press them, you see the custom button was pressed message that we wrote earlier in the delegate. So the horizontal flips horizontal and vertical flip vertical. And that's it. Hope it helps you in creating custom components and adding animation to your app, and perhaps making millions from the App Store. So thank you for watching. The link to the tutorial is published in the description, and the source code and article is in that link. So feel free to visit and write your opinions about this post. Thank you for joining.